Welcome children with your exercise 7.4 and there are a set of 6 formulas which we'll be using in this exercise. Out of that, the first one which we are going to use is, as I have mentioned it over here, integral 1 upon x square plus a square could be after integration written as 1 upon a into tan inverse of x upon a and plus c. Now, based on this formula, we are going to do this question over here. I have I is equal to integral 3x square dx and plus x raised to the power 6 and plus 1. So, looking at the denominator, we come to the conclusion that some substitution has to occur so that this 3x square dx term turns out into a dt term. So what we do is, this x raised to 6, we write it as x cube to the power 2. So x cube ka whole square we write it. So 3 2s are 6 it is going to be, and plus 1 can be written as 1 square. Now we say put x cube is equal to t. So if you differentiate x cube, you know that it would be 3x square into dx, and that is equal to dt. That is equals to dt. So therefore x cube got differentiated as 3x square and into dx, and that is equals to dt. Now see the numerator over here, 3x square dx, and this is the same thing which we have got over here. So let us substitute the things back. So that 3x squared dx, we wrote it as dt. So that became dt. So numerator now nothing is there, and upon it was x cube which we have taken as t. So x cube is t. So t ka square and plus 1. So it appears like this way, integral t square and plus 1. 1 can be also written as 1 square. 1 can also be written as 1 square. So it is of the category integral 1 upon x squared plus a squared category, which is answer would be, as we discussed it over here, if it is of the type x squared plus a squared, I can write it as 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So now as per that formula, 1 upon a, our a here is 1. So 1 upon a, so a is 1 into tan inverse x upon a. So our x term is going to be t over here, and upon a is 1, so t upon 1. Now upon 1 need not be written, only t value we shall resubstitute. So therefore tan inverse of t cube and plus c. Let's go to the next question. Now, next formula which we are going to use in the next question would be integral 1 upon under root of x square. See, previous question was 1 upon x square plus a square. Now, what is the difference over here? It is 1 upon under root of x square plus a square. So, earlier question when it was 1 upon a tan inverse, the under root sign was not there. If the under root sign is there, then the formula would be log of x plus the same under root term of x square plus a square, the same under root term will write here, and plus c. So now let's go to the question there. I have integral 1 upon under root of 1 plus 4x square. This 4x square, and it is of the category x square plus a square type. This 4x square, I can write it as 2x ka whole square and under root of 2x ka whole square and plus 1. Okay, so therefore I am going to write it as, if the same thing will apply over here, log of x. What is my x term here? 2x plus the same under root, yani ki under root of 1 plus 4x square, and if I differentiate that term, yani ki if I differentiate the value which I have taken it over here as x, the answer would be 1 upon, that answer would be 2, and therefore we have written it as 1 upon 2 into log of the term over there. Now next, same formula again in the next question, that is integral 1 upon under root of x square plus a square, and that would be written as log of x plus under root of x square plus a square and plus c. द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में जो था, सेम फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे भी इस्तेमाल करना है. आई हैव इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ, it is 2 minus x का whole square and plus 1. तो things are already in the form x square plus a square category. तो what you are going to do? Log of modulus of x. Your x term, यानी कि your first square term which you have here is 2 minus x. तो x का whole square, तो that is your x is 2 minus x. तो log of x, instead of x we are having here as 2 minus x plus the same under root of the question which was there, that is under root of 2 minus x square ka whole square and plus 1. Now if your x is not a simple x term, you differentiate that term. तो 2 का differentiation would be 0 and minus x का differentiation would be minus 1. So that minus 1 we write it in the beginning, 1 upon minus 1, that is going to give me minus log of the term over there. Now next question would be based on another formula, that is integral 1 upon under root of a square minus x square into dx. See, there is an under root term also. Whenever there is an under root term, in the beginning we do not have 1 upon a or 1 upon 2a type of terms. Whenever under root is there, remember no 1 upon a or 1 upon 2a term is there, and that would be written as sine inverse of x upon a. Now the question is I is equal to integral under root of 9 minus 25x square. This 9 can be written as 3 square and 25x square can be written as 5x ka whole square and into dx. So this is of the category a square minus x square and an under root of that. So just now we saw the formula over here. If it is under root of a, यानी कि constant term पहले है and then the x term is there. So if here also the constant term is 3, that is before, and minus the x term यानी कि 5x is after that. So a square minus x square, so the formula would be sine inverse of x upon a. So x term here is 5x, the x term is 5x and a is 3. So x upon a यानी कि 5x upon 3. But if it is not a simple x term, I have to differentiate that 5x term again. So 5x if you differentiate, the answer comes as 5. And in integration, we always divide by that answer, that is 1 upon 5. It is not 1 upon a, huh children? Your a is 3. It is not 1 upon a. That 5x term you differentiated, no? Answer of that differentiation of 5x is 5, and that we have written it in the front, that is 1 upon the answer into sine inverse of x upon a type of term is there. Let's go to the next question. The next question is again based on the first sum which we did, 1 upon x square plus a square into dx. So the formula we know, that is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. This is the formula to be used over here. Now let us see the question. Question has 3x in the numerator and 1 plus 2x raised to 4 in the denominator. Looking at this 3x, I come to know that I have to substitute something ताकि ये जो 3x dx है that becomes the dt term. So I have to undergo substitution. So I rearrange my terms. 1 को मैंने बाद में लिखा है, 1 को 1 square करके बाद में लिखा, and 2x raised to 4 I can write it as root 2 एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. I can write it as root 2 x square का whole square. Now I substitute x square term as t. तो अगर x square को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं तो क्या आएगा 2x. तो 2x dx is equal to dt. But in my question I don't have a 2. So what I do is I take the value of x dx and that becomes dt upon 2. The 2 which was over here, I cross multiply it down. So x dx is equals to dt upon 2. Now my question had a 3 which is of no use. This 3 was of no use. So what I do, that 3 I write outside the integration sign because it was of no use. And now integral, it is 1 upon, it was root 2 x square and x square को आपने t कहा तो it is root 2 t का whole square plus 1 square and the value of dx was dt upon 2. dt upon 2, dt के नीचे जो 2 था that we removed outside the integration sign and we wrote it over here. तो ये 3 क्या है, ये जो क्वेश्चन में यहाँ 3 था ना वो बाहर निकाल दिया है हमने. एंड x dx का जो वैल्यू था dt अपॉन 2, दैट dt का अपॉन 2 जो है दैट वी हैव टेकन इट इन द बिगिनिंग ओवर हियर. सो 3 अपॉन 2 इंटीग्रल ऑफ, इट इज बिलोंगिंग टू विच कैटेगरी, इट बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी 1 अपॉन इंटीग्रल x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर कैटेगरी. सो नाउ दिस 3 अपॉन 2 एज इट इज जो बाहर था. नाउ फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से 1 अपॉन a, मेरा a क्या है, माई a इज 1, तो 1 अपॉन a दैट इज 1 अपॉन 1 इंटू tan इनवर्स ऑफ x अपॉन a. तो tan इनवर्स माई x इज वॉट रूट 2t, तो tan इनवर्स ऑफ रूट 2t अपॉन a इज अगेन 1. लेकिन अगर ये सिंपल x नहीं है तो आई रीडिफ्रेंशिएट दैट, आई डिफ्रेंशिएट रूट 2t, तो रूट 2t का डिफ्रेंशिएशन आएगा रूट 2 और वो जो आंसर आता है वो 1 अपॉन करके लिखते हैं इंटीग्रेशन में. तो 1 अपॉन द आंसर ऑफ डिफ्रेंसिएशन रूट 2t, तो रूट 2t का डिफ्रेंसिएशन वाज रूट 2 एंड दैट इज 1 अपॉन द आंसर ऑफ डिफ्रेंसिएशन दैट इज 1 अपॉन रूट 2. तो मेरे पास अब कैसे बचा, 3 था और नीचे 2 एंड रूट 2 दोनों है, तो 3 अपॉन 2 रूट 2 इंटू टैन इनवर्स ऑफ रूट 2 एक्स. ये t का वैल्यू हमने रीसब्स्टिट्यूट किया, हमने x स्क्वायर को t डाला था तो वी रीसब्स्टिट्यूटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ t एज x स्क्वायर, तो दैट इज रूट 2 x स्क्वायर एंड प्लस c. नाउ दिस रूट 2 x स्क्वायर एंड प्लस c, ये जो यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में रूट 2 है, यू कैन रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय रूट 2, तो दैट बिकम्स 3 रूट 2 एंड नीचे होगा 2 root 2 into root 2, that is going to be 4. So the answer would be 3 root 2 upon 4 into tan inverse of root 2 x square. Let's go to the next question. Now next question is 1 upon integral 1 upon a square minus x square dx. And if under root term is not there, if under root sign is not there, आगे हमेशा 1 अपॉन ए या 1 अपॉन 2a ज़रूर लगेगा. tan इनवर्स होगा तो खाली 1 अपॉन ए होगा, और अगर tan इनवर्स वाला नहीं है, ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो फॉर्मूला में लगेगा 1 अपॉन 2a इंटू लॉग ऑफ a प्लस एक्स अपॉन a माइनस एक्स. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. नाउ जैसे ही वी सॉ एक्स स्क्वायर इन द न्यूमरेटर, आई कम टू नो कि मुझे सब्सटीट्यूशन करना पड़ेगा सो दैट एक्स स्क्वायर डी एक्स गोज इन टू सम सब्सटीट्यूशन. नाउ व्हाट आई डू इज द डिनोमिनेटर 1, आई राइट इट एज 1 स्क्वायर माइनस x raised to 6. x raised to 6 I write it as x cube का whole square. Now if I write x cube as t, if I write x cube as t, the differentiation of x cube will become 3x square dx and that is equal to dt. So what I do in my question before only, I divide by 3 and I multiply by 3. So now 3x square dx, everything in the numerator, see over here, 3x square dx becomes equal to dt. तो therefore now my question is going to appear, बाहर जो 1/3 था, integral this 3x square dx became dt, and 1/1 minus this x cube I have put it as t, so therefore t का square. Now it is of the category a square minus x square. So the formula would be, पहले जो 1/3 था वो तो लिख ही दिया, फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से आएगा 1/2a. a is 1, तो 1/2 into 1, 1/2 into 1 it is, and log of a plus x and a minus x. So this is the formula which we are applying. Here it is t, so 1 plus t and 1 minus t and plus c. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into this 3 is going to be 6. So in 1/6 log of, I resubstitute the value of t, and therefore it becomes 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x, 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube. T का value था x cube, so I resubstituted the value of t. Let's go to the next question. Now, next question is integral x minus 1 upon under root of x square minus 1. Looking at the numerator, I come to know कि something I have to substitute so that numerator gets converted into the dt term. But यहाँ पे such a thing cannot happen for both the terms x minus 1. So what we do is, what I do in the question, I write it as integral. Now this first term x upon the under root minus 1 upon the under root, यानी कि denominator जो है I write it separately for both the terms. The first term upon the denominator minus the second term upon the denominator. So over here in the first term now I have x and under root of x square minus 1. So what I do is, this full under root का जो पूरा term है x square minus 1, I write it as t. 2x का differentiation would be, x square का differentiation would be 2x and 1 का differentiation is 0. So 2x dx will be equal to dt. So first term, let us see entire first term only first. So therefore I substituted this full under root में जो पूरा term है x square minus 1, I wrote it as t, and 2x dx became dt. So therefore this full numerator becomes dt. So question would look like this, 1/2 and integral 1 upon under root of t. Under root का मतलब है power is half. When power is half and that plus half from the denominator, it goes to the numerator, it becomes minus half. So that is 1/2 integral t raised to minus half. When you integrate something, power increases by 1. So minus half and plus 1. Minus half and plus 1. Minus half and plus 1 becomes plus half. So I have 1/2 t raised to plus half upon plus half. This 1/2 when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 1/2 into 2. They cancel with each other and I have t raised to half. t raised to half का मतलब है under root of t. And what is under root of t का value था x squared minus 1. So this is how we simplified the first term. Now we go to the second term. That is minus integral 1 upon under root of x squared minus 1 into dx. So this is of the category integral 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. If it is x square minus a square, the formula would be log of x plus the under root term, जो भी under root term है, and therefore it got simplified. We have to just carry forward and go on writing till the last. We do not finish simplifying the first term. So what did we see? Well, let us very quickly go through it. I had two terms in my numerator. I separated the two terms, x upon the denominator minus 1 upon the denominator. ओवर हियर जो x अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर था, आई डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड आई मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. देन फुल डिनोमिनेटर हियर x squared minus 1 I wrote it as t, and 2x dx became equal to dt. So the numerator 2x dx became equal to dt. So the question became under root of t raised to half. T raised to half, from denominator it goes to the numerator, it becomes t raised to minus half. And when you integrate, power increases by 1, so minus half and plus 1 becomes plus half. So t raised to plus half upon plus half. This 1 upon 2 and this 1 upon 2 gets cancelled. T raised to half का मतलब है under root of t, and that means under root of t का value था x square minus 1, and this was very simple. The second term 1 upon under root of x square minus a square, which I wrote it as log of x plus under root of x square minus a square, and that finishes with your question 7. Let's go to the next question, that is question number 8. Question 8 is I is equal to integral x square upon under root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6. वापस से the moment we see x square in the numerator, we think that क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि some substitution we do so that x square dx gets converted into the dt term. So yes, now under root of I had x raised to 6, I can write it as x cube का whole square, so it gets converted into the type t square. Okay, so write this power 6, तो I wrote it as x cube का whole square. 3 2 6 होता है, तो I wrote it as x cube का whole square. Even a raised to 6 was there, I wrote it as a cube का power 2, तो a cube का square. Now I divide by 3 and I multiply by 3. Why? Because I know if I substitute x cube is equal to t, when I differentiate, x cube का differentiation होगा 3x square, तो 3x square dx is equal to dt. तो मैंने पहले से यहाँ divide by 3 multiply by 3 करके रखा, तो my numerator x3x square dx becomes equal to dt, and that is 1 upon 3 integral 1 upon under root of, this was x cube का whole square. x cube को मैंने t बोला था, तो t square plus a cube का whole square. तो this is the formula for under root of x square plus a square category. तो I have to write it as log of, I write it as log of. Now this 1 upon 3, ये जो पहले से कैरी फॉरवर्ड आ रहा है ना, हमने डिवाइड बाई 3 और मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 किया था, वो वाला 1 upon 3 है, कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं लगी है यहाँ पे. तो दैट 1 upon 3 वी आर जस्ट कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड अंडर रूट 1 upon अंडर रूट ऑफ टी स्क्वायर प्लस ए क्यूब का होल स्क्वायर, तो दैट बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी लॉग ऑफ x प्लस अंडर रूट वाला टर्म, तो दैट इज लॉग ऑफ t plus under root of t square plus a raised to 6. t was x ka cube, so I resubstitute the value, and therefore the question gets to an end. Now next question is I is equal to integral sec squared x dx and upon under root of t square x, tan squared x plus 4. Let us see how we would solve it further. What we would do is, the moment we see sec squared x dx, so it comes to my mind, I should do some substitution so that this sec squared x dx becomes dt. So very simple, I would say put tan of x is equal to t. Tan of x is equal to t. तो tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? sec squared x. तो tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन है sec squared x dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore how is my question going to look? This sec squared x dx in the numerator became dt. अंडर रूट ऑफ tan x को हमने t कहा था, तो tan स्क्वायर है तो t स्क्वायर. 4 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 का स्क्वायर, तो दिस बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी integral 1 upon under root of x square plus a square category it is. So therefore it is log of t प्लस जो भी अंडर रूट होगा क्वेश्चन वाला, तो दैट इज t स्क्वायर प्लस 4. नाउ लास्टली वी रीसब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ t. तो हमने t को क्या डाला था, हमने t tan x को t डाला था. तो आई रीसब्स्टिट्यूट माई वैल्यू. इंस्टेड ऑफ t आई राइट log ऑफ दैट इज tan x and under root of t square मतलब tan squared of x and plus 4 and modulus closes and then plus c. So we finish with that question. Now we go to the next question. Here every other question till now you were given some ready-made format, either of the type x square plus a square, x square minus a square, under root of x square plus a square. Here it is integral 1 upon under root of a quadratic term. Now quadratic equation quadratic polynomial जो है, you are supposed to represent it in the format x square plus a square category. So what I do is, my term is x square plus 2x and plus 2. This plus 2 I write it as 1 plus 1. This plus 2 I write it as 1 plus 1. Now x square plus 2x plus 1. See, ये कौन सी कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करता है, a square plus 2ab plus b square कैटेगरी. तो दैट इज x plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर. एंड बाहर जो 1 था दैट कैन बी रिटन एज 1 मीन्स 1 का स्क्वायर. तो अल्टीमेटली व्हाट डिड वी डू, 2 को हमने लिखा 1 plus 1. पहले 3 टर्म्स को हमने होल स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट किया. x square plus 2x plus 1 we converted it as x plus 1 का whole square and plus 1 is there. So it belongs to the category integral 1 upon under root of x squared plus a square. तो whenever it is under root, आगे 1 upon a या 2a ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता कभी भी अगर अंडर रूट है तो therefore log of modulus of x plus under root term. For me my x term is what, full x plus 1. So I write it as instead of x I have x plus 1 and plus जो भी आपका अंडर रूट टर्म था, तो क्वेश्चन का अंडर रूट टर्म वॉज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 2. तो द सेम अंडर रूट टर्म ओवर हियर. नाउ if my x is not a simple x, I differentiate that and then I write 1 upon the answer. But x plus 1 का differentiation, 1 का तो 0 होगा, x का differentiation 1 होगा. तो therefore 1 upon 1 it will come and therefore it does not appear in the question. And therefore you have your answer as log, it is of which category, log of x plus under root वाला term. तो therefore log of modulus of x term यानी कि x plus 1 plus your under root term that is x square plus 2x plus 2 and plus the constant of integration. So here we end with today's session and we may see in the next session. The further sums we'll calculate in the next session. So thank you children.